Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with the demo. So there are two forms. One is questionnaire 2 and the other one is questionnaire 1, and the associated file are here. So I have selected the associated file for the questionnaire 1, which is 28. And for the questionnaire 2, the last entry is on raw 13. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to submit the new entries on questionnaire 2, which is here. So I have a pre-filled link. Now I'm going to submit this, and you will be seeing a new entry in here, not here, sorry, on this questionnaire 2. So here is the new entry. And for the associated document, you can see on this one, ready to go for the proposal. Here is the PDF generated for that form submitted. You can see the time is 9 to 2 p.m. and on the sheet, it should also be like, yeah, there is one difference of one time difference are. So let me submit this the response for the second form, which is this one. Before submitting the form, you can see the last entry is on 28. Now let me submit the form, and here you will see there is no document here currently, and this will get pop up right away. So here is a new document generated, completely filled a PDF, and 9:03 a.m. Sorry, 9:03 p.m. and the time should be around 1 hour back. Here it is. So yep, you can see the questionnaire 1 is generating the PDF document in this folder, new private client proposals. And for the questionnaire 2, it is generating the PDF document on ready to go proposal. So that's it for my side. Please let me know if I missed something, or if you want any further modification or any clearance. Thank you. Take care.